Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reference a cell in VBA. Mastering cell referencing is a core skill for automating tasks and manipulating data in your spreadsheets. We'll cover the essential techniques you need to precisely target any cell or group of cells. This knowledge will empower you to write more robust and flexible VBA code, making your Excel work much more efficient. Let's dive into the specifics of how to get started with these powerful tools. The range property is one of the most common ways to refer to cells. You can specify a single cell, for example, range A1, or a group of cells like range B2, D5. This method is straightforward when you know the exact cell addresses. You can also refer to a named range, which makes your code more readable and adaptable. For instance, if you name a range sales data, you can simply use range sales data. Next, let's explore the cells property, which uses numerical indices for rows and columns. For example, cells 1, 2 refers to the cell in the first row and second column, which is cell B1. This approach is incredibly useful when you need to loop through cells or reference them dynamically using variables. You can also combine cells with range for more advanced selections, offering great flexibility in your VBA projects. For more advanced scenarios, the offset property allows you to reference cells relative to a starting point, moving a certain number of rows or columns. The end property, often used with XL up or XL to left, helps you find the last non-empty cell in a range, which is perfect for dynamic data sets. Remember to always explicitly specify the worksheet, for example, worksheets, sheet 1, range, A1, to prevent unintended actions on the active sheet. This ensures your code is robust and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.